Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll explore a complete roadmap to becoming a generative AI engineer covering skills, tools, and real-world practices. A generative AI engineer builds, fine-tunes, deploys, and maintains AI systems that can generate text, images, audio, video, and code. This role combines software engineering, machine learning, and system design. This roadmap is structured into 8 clearly defined phases to guide your learning journey. Phase 1: Programming, Math, and Computer Science Foundations. This phase builds the fundamental skills required to understand and implement generative AI systems. Strong programming and mathematical knowledge helps engineers reason about model behavior and performance. These foundations ensure you can debug models, optimize code, and understand learning mechanics instead of treating AI as a black box. Core skills. These core skills focus on programming logic, mathematical intuition, and algorithmic thinking. These skills form the backbone for all machine learning and generative AI work. Programming languages and tools. In this phase, help practice programming and mathematical concepts efficiently. Tools focus on problem solving, code structuring, and numerical computation. Objective. The objective of this phase is to build confidence in coding and analytical thinking. You should be able to write clean Python programs and understand mathematical expressions behind ML models. Phase 2: Machine learning and deep learning. This phase introduces the core machine learning and deep learning concepts that power generative AI systems. You learn how models are trained, evaluated, and optimized using real data. Understanding neural networks is critical before working with large generative models. This phase bridges theoretical knowledge with hands-on implementation. Core skills. These core skills emphasize understanding learning algorithms and neural architectures. These skills allow engineers to design, train, and evaluate AI models effectively. Tools and library. These frameworks help implement and experiment with machine learning models. Tools focus on training, tuning, and evaluating neural networks. Objective. The objective is to gain hands-on experience with training and evaluating ML models. You should understand how data flows through neural networks. Phase 3: Generative AI and large language models. This phase dives into the heart of generative AI, focusing on large language models and modern generative architectures. You'll learn how transformer-based models produce text, images, and other forms of content. These concepts explain how generative systems reason and respond. Mastering them clearly differentiates a generative AI engineer from a traditional machine learning engineer. Core skills. These core skills emphasize understanding transformer models and generative behavior. These skills allow engineers to control outputs and build intelligent systems. Frameworks and techniques. These frameworks provide access to pre-trained generative models. Techniques focus on inference, experimentation, and prompt optimization. Objective. The objective is to understand how generative models produce content. You should be able to interact with LLMs confidently. Phase 4: Fine-tuning, RAG, and AI agents. This phase shifts your focus from simply using models to actively customizing them. You will learn fine-tuning methods, retrieval augmented generation, and agent-based architectures. These approaches enable AI systems to use external knowledge and tools effectively. They are essential for building reliable, enterprise-ready generative AI solutions and real-world deployments. Core skills. Core skills focus on improving model accuracy and reliability. These skills allow AI systems to use private data and tools effectively. They are essential for production AI, tools, and techniques. These tools support customization and knowledge integration. Techniques focus on efficient training and retrieval workflows. They reduce hallucinations and improve trustworthiness. Objective. The objective is to build intelligent systems grounded in real data. You should reduce hallucinations and improve response accuracy. This phase prepares you for real-world AI applications. Phase 5. Gen AI Application Development. This phase emphasizes developing complete generative AI applications from end to end. You integrate AI models with backend services and user-friendly interfaces to create functional systems. Hands-on application development ensures your solutions are practical and scalable. This approach makes generative AI accessible and valuable to real users. Core skills. These core skills emphasize full-stack thinking and system integration. These skills allow you to turn AI models into real products. Strong application skills increase employability. Tools and techniques. These tools help deploy and showcase AI applications. Techniques focus on usability and performance. They are essential for building demos and production apps. Objective. The objective is to build user-facing Gen AI applications. You should integrate models with interfaces smoothly. This phase prepares you for professional AI development roles. Phase 6. Deployment, MLOps, and career readiness. This final phase equips you for real-world deployment and long-term career growth in generative AI. You learn how to deploy, monitor, and secure AI systems effectively. It also emphasizes building a strong portfolio and developing professional readiness for industry roles. Core skills. Core skills focus on operational excellence and professionalism. These skills ensure AI systems remain reliable and scalable. They separate hobby projects from production systems. Tools and techniques. These tools support scalable and secure AI operations. Techniques emphasize monitoring, automation, and feedback loops. They are critical for enterprise environments. Objective. The objective is to become job-ready as a generative AI engineer. You should demonstrate real projects and deployment skills. This phase completes your transition into a professional Gen AI role. Phase 7. Projects and portfolio. This phase focuses on applying generative AI knowledge through real-world projects. Building hands-on projects demonstrates practical skills beyond theory and tools. A strong portfolio proves your ability to design, implement, and deploy Gen AI systems, which is critical for interviews and professional credibility. Core skills. Core skills emphasize practical implementation, problem solving, and a system integration. These skills help transform ideas into working AI solutions. Projects validate your understanding of models, data, and deployment. Tools and techniques. Tools in this phase support project development, experimentation, and sharing. Techniques focus on structuring projects and presenting results clearly. These tools help showcase your work professionally. Objective. The objective is to build a strong, visible portfolio of generative AI projects. You should demonstrate problem solving, creativity, and technical depth. This phase makes your skills tangible to recruiters and collaborators. Phase 8. Career preparation and specialization. This phase prepares you to transition into a professional generative AI engineering role. It focuses on specialization, interview readiness, and industry alignment. Choosing a niche and preparing strategically increases job opportunities and long-term career growth in the Gen AI domain. Core skills. Core skills center on communication, specialization, and professional readiness. These skills help position you effectively in the job market. They also support long-term career progression in AI roles. Highlight yourself. These tools help prepare for interviews and professional visibility. Techniques focus on showcasing expertise and staying updated with industry trends. They support continuous learning and networking. Specialization options. Choosing a specialization helps you focus your skills and stand out in the competitive generative AI job market. By narrowing your domain, you can develop deeper expertise and build targeted projects. Specialization also aligns your learning path with specific industry roles and long-term career goals. Becoming a generative AI engineer is a journey, not a shortcut. Focus on foundations, hands-on projects, and real systems, not just tools or trends. The path to becoming a generative AI engineer is a long-term journey that blends strong fundamentals, continuous learning, and hands-on practice. That's all for today. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.